Well, I've been thinking it would be nice to have a partner. Officer, it's time. Well, all we know is that they are all members of the predator family.
So, predators are the only ones going savage.
May have something to do with biology.
What do you mean by that?
A biological component, you know, something in their DNA.
Let me ask you a question. Are you afraid of me? You think I might try to eat you? I knew it. Just when I thought somebody actually believed in me. Huh? Probably best if you don't have a predator as a partner.